So yes, people, Vybz Kartel legal team took another blow yesterday in the habeas corpus application that they filed for Vybz Kartel. A lot of people not listening when I talk, but you have to understand that I'm coming from a place where I do research and find out of certain things, right? One thing I said in a few videos ago, where I spoke about Isat Buchanan, when he stated, why would you put in a bail application for a man that is already free, or that is a man that is free? That is when the Privy Council overturned the conviction of Vybz Kartel. No, this makes no sense. You're saying one thing, but you're doing another. You say you don't need to put in a bail application, so why would you not put in a bail application? That makes no sense. Why would you even put in a bail application so soon to the trial? I don't know what Isat is doing. I don't know what the legal team is doing, but this is pulling Mr. Kartel on a string left, right, and center. So here comes a lot of people on social media asking for Vybz Kartel to fire his lawyer, Isat Buchanan, based on the fact that his fans are tired of the misleading behavior that he's portraying. He comes and say one thing, he goes and do another. Yes, I may understand the fact of, he cannot expose certain information. But at the end of the day, don't come out and give his fans, hope that he will be coming out, and then we hear this. Also, I feel a lot of people don't understand the judicial system in Jamaica. As I stated in a few videos ago, the office that was burnt down for Isat Buchanan, the lady who is a lawyer who owned that office, came out in an interview and said, do you know that a large percent of the judges that sit on the judge board in Jamaica came through the DPP? And I say that to say this. They will come and they will say, oh, there is no bias. A judge can't be biased. But come on. You think if the DPP office in Jamaica is fighting against somebody, an enemy of the state, the enemy of the state is going to win? No. Mr. Vybz Kartel's life is in danger in more ways than one, based on the fact that Mr. Vybz Kartel isn't up against a true justice system. He is up against a justice system that has lawyers and judges that came through the same place that is fighting against him, and that is the DPP office. Now, I said the people that question your loyalty to Vybz Kartel based on the fact that when you came from England, after the judges in England have said, oh, you know what, we're going to quash the conviction, and you came down and you never put in a bail application for Mr. Vybz Kartel, but you're putting in a bail application just a few weeks or just under 2 weeks before his trial. That makes no sense to us. However, we see that another judge said that he was going to school Mr. Isat Buchanan in the habeas corpus application. And she did. Showed him that, listen, what you did is foolishness, and none of his civil rights were violated. None of his rights were violated. He is not convicted, but he is charged for murder. So Miss Andrea Thomas, Justice Andrea Thomas, has said he's schooling Mr. Buchanan. What does that mean? Is that mean that Mr. Buchanan don't know the law and she's going to school him on the law? However, he was schooled because Vybz Kartel did not get a bail application granted to him. Anyway, people, we're still watching to see what will come out of this trial on June 10. But again, is Mr. Vybz Kartel against the whole judicial system of Jamaica? I am telling you this. You have to do your research. You have to do your research to see that Mr. Vybz Kartel is up against the entire judicial system of Jamaica. not just one, but every lawyer and judge that sit on their board.